Hello, everyone, and welcome. My big red clock there says we got 15 seconds before we have to get going, so here we go.
There we go.
I'm Chris Bear. My wife and I decided to put on this event. It actually all happened because somebody said on Twitter, hey, you guys should do a conference. And I said, well, if Ben Bickman and Drew Manning are down for it, sure, I'll do it. And it was like 5 minutes later, I'm out of frame. About 5 minutes later, they both replied to us on Twitter and said, yeah, I'm down. It's like, dang it, now I have to do it. So welcome, everybody. We've got an amazing lineup of speakers for you. And first, why don't you guys come on up? We've got our Emcees for the day.
Hello. All right, how are you guys doing today? You guys are really awake. That's awesome. I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to be silent, so that's great. I want to give a big thanks to Chris and Miriam and the Keto Chow team for putting this event together. And one thing is, when you are on social media, the hashtag for this event is Keto Salt Lake, so make sure to hashtag it and tag them as well.
Okay, so we have some really amazing speakers lined up for today and tomorrow. Just to name a few today, we have Larry Diamond, Amy Berger, Carl and Carrie from Two Keto Dudes podcast.
Jillian Michaels.
I did not know Chris invited Jillian.
Is that true, Chris?
So nice.
All right, no Jillian today, guys. I'm sorry. All righty, so everyone's doing great. Hey, who's had their electrolytes this morning? All right, I am at a keto low-carb conference. That is for sure. Who's had their coffee this morning? I have. Awesome. Okay. Who had MCT oil in their coffee? You guys have about 3 minutes till the first speaker gets up here. Hurry up.
All right, guys, so I am Julie Smith. I am also known as Keto Made Simple on Instagram. And you know we're legit because we have t-shirts.
Awesome. So I'm Cameron Smith. Most people don't actually know I have a real name. Does anybody even know who I am? No? Wait. Yes, exactly. You can find me on Instagram. Keto Madman is what people know me by. They just don't think I have a name. So now you guys all know.
And we are married to each other.
To each other.
So not only do we have a great lineup of speakers today, but we also have amazing sponsors that have originated right here in Utah, which is awesome.
So obviously, Keto Chow. I wasn't really aware we had a dog food sponsor here today, but...
I think that's Puppy Chow
that's Puppy
that you're
Chow.
thinking.
Okay.
Yeah, it's totally different.
Keto Chow is great, guys. Don't mistake it for dog food. It's phenomenal.
The mint chocolate chip, you guys.
I love that one too.
You gotta try it.
We also have Keto Cakes Utah here as well, and oh my gosh, if you have not had their cupcakes, you have been missing out, and today you have a chance. I don't know if they have the chocolate strawberry mousse here. If they do, I highly recommend that one.
Or the chocolate peanut butter, that's my favorite. We also have Oh Hello Keto Bakery, which is one of my favorites. I want to tell you a quick story about those guys. So he started keto July of 2018. And being the amazing wife that I am, I forgot it was his birthday. I had 2 days and I was like, crap, I need to get him something. He's like fresh into keto. He needed a treat, so I contacted Oh Hello Keto Bakery. They made the most amazing, beautiful custom cake. It was a chocolate peanut butter cake. They delivered it to me just in time for his birthday. So I love them. They're just amazing.
If you for saving my keto journey.
Thank you for saving my my butt.
We also have Nush cakes here. If you haven't had them, my favorite is their blueberry Nush cake.
I like the banana. That one's my favorite. We also have Lakanto sweetener. Lakanto sweetener is a monk fruit. It's my favorite sweetener. It's my sweetener of choice. It doesn't have that cooling effect that some of you guys have a hard time with. So if you haven't tried Lakanto sweetener yet, try it. It's awesome.
We also have alternate sweets here, which is by far my favorite barbecue sauce. It goes on everything that I smoke at home, goes on all our meats, and I have proclaimed them as the king of keto ketchups. So if you haven't tried those two from them, I highly recommend it.
He puts the ketchup on literally everything. Are you guys eggs and ketchup people?
Yeah,
I'm not.
these
He
are my
is.
people.
Yeah. You guys are weird, but alternate sweets is what's up.
We gotta hurry here so we can get our first speaker on the phone, or on the mic. I don't know what I'm saying. So we have Little Fat Stick. They are low carb popsicles. We have Real Salt, keeping it keto, the Keto Cookie, Salsitas Mendoza, Select Savory Seasoning, Keto Bars, BioStack, the Savory Butcher, and Sugar High Confectioners. If I missed any of the sponsors, let me know. I'll make sure to talk about you guys when we're up here next. So